Hey guys, this is Brandon McGee at the McGee Law Firm, and today I want to talk to you guys about pre-planning for your burial, your funeral, your cremation, whatever it is that you decide to do. And there's actually going to be 2 video segments to this, so please look for the other one as well. But what I want to talk to you about in this segment is a document. It's a power of attorney of sorts that we prepare for all of our clients. It's called Authority for Disposition of Last Remains in Burial and Funeral Instructions. Now, I know this topic is not on the top of anybody's list, particularly right now. I'm here. It's a beautiful Friday morning. It's temperate. It's sunny, and you know who wants to be thinking about dying in their funeral? Well, I do, because I'm an estate planning attorney. But I'd like to tell you guys why this form is very important. This form allows you to choose, in order of preference, number 1, who will be the handler of your last remains. Now, under the laws of the state of Texas, which is the jurisdiction that I'm in, the spouse, in lieu of some other arrangement, such as this form, if you don't have this form and you pass away, your spouse has the first right to be the determiner of what's going to happen to your last remains. Past that, if you don't have a spouse, it goes to your children. What that means is that all the children have to agree, be on the same page, and sign off. This has been problematic for some of my clients in the past, and it's why we actually implemented use of this form. When we had one child, adult child, literally hijack a funeral because they wanted to leverage a larger payout from the trust, a larger beneficiary distribution than what they were entitled to. Now, this child was kind of the, quote, black sheep of the family, problematic figure. This child was left less than his siblings. And so he literally almost hijacked a funeral because he would not sign off on the necessary paperwork until his siblings agreed to equalize him within the trust, even though they were not supposed to do so. So in this form that we have, you will pick your first choice, your second, your third, maybe your fourth, depending on how deep you want to go, of who will be the handler of your last remains. And this person, let's say it's one of your adult children, will simply take this form to the funeral home, the cremation center. They will be recognized as the one person who has the authority to make decisions and to deal with these companies and to get the job done of the last remains being disposed of properly. So I think it's very important for all of us to have this document. Second, within this document, you can leave behind your instructions of what you want done. Do you want to be buried? Do you want to be cremated? Do you want to be cremated and then buried? Is there a specific place you want to be buried? Is there a specific place you want your ashes to be scattered? I've had people do all sorts of things. There's a lot of things that I think are a little odd that are going on right now, but it's just my personal opinion. But there's lots of options out there, particularly for ashes and things that people can do with those. So I want to encourage all of you guys to seek out the Authority for Disposition of Last Remains in Burial and Funeral Instructions, so that it's very clear cut within your family who is going to be the person to handle this, to make the decisions, and so forth. Next, we're going to talk about the importance of having a prepaid plan. So please check that out here in a little bit. Thank you.